We're now going to do foot and ankle joint play assessment in the prone position. Assessing ankle range of motion and joint play. This is a little bit different. We're going to use the web of our hands distal to the medial and lateral malleoli, elbows out. If you can, raise the knee up off the table and start rotating your body side to side. That gives you a little bit of inversion, eversion, a little bit of supination, pronation. Right now we're doing dorsiflexion, plantar flexion. So we're working all of the same joints, tibio-talar joint and subtalar joint. Right now we're just checking to see if there's any restrictions in joint play. Now here we go, grasping the tibia and coming down to see how much dorsiflexion Keith has. Notice how much more dorsiflexion he has prone than he did supine. He has more than 20 degrees, so that's good. That's a nice range of motion. Here we go for plantar flexion, and we know he's going to be pretty good here because he was when he was supine. So this is at least 55 degrees plantar flexion. Kind of good way to do plantar flexion testing here in the prone position. A little bit better mechanical advantage. Now we're going to look at the subtalar joint, the body steering wheel. It has a lot to do with walking on uneven surfaces and getting our proprioception right. That's also supination and pronation. You should have more pronation than supination and more eversion than inversion. So that's what we're checking for, all of those joint ranges of motion. Now we're coming back down and doing a general technique called the figure 8, where you're taking the joint into multiple ranges of motion and multiple areas where you can assess for lack of joint play.